Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you ever use maps?
Yes, I use maps to navigate unfamiliar territory, locate local businesses, and plan trips. Maps are indispensable tools for comprehending locations and planning efficient routes.
Question number 2. How often do you use maps?
I look at a map at least once a week, usually when I'm planning a trip or going to a new place.
Question number 3. Do you prefer electronic map or paper maps?
I prefer electronic maps because they are more user-friendly and typically more detailed. Paper maps are useful for seeing the big picture, but electronic maps can provide more detailed information.
Question number 4. Do you ever ask people for directions instead of using a map?
Yes, if I'm in an unfamiliar area and the map doesn't provide enough detail, I'll ask for directions. Talking to locals can be a great way to find out more and figure out the best way to get there.
Question number 5. Who taught you how to use a map?
I learned how to use a map by trial and error. In addition, I took geography classes in school and researched mapping techniques online. Question number 6. When do people usually need to use a map? When traveling to an unfamiliar area or looking for a specific business or address, people usually need to consult a map. Routes in progress can also be tracked using maps.
Question number 7. Did you use maps when you were a child?
Yes, I used maps as a child to explore my neighborhood and plan family vacations. I used to make up imaginary journeys and draw my own maps. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.